Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign in to your Red Dead Redemption 2 game. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Launch open your Red Dead Redemption application and you will see this kind of an interface from where you'll need to tap on the sign in button. This will take you to signin.rockstargames.com website from where you will need to first log into your Rockstar account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by tapping on create a new account at the bottom of the screen. If you do have an account, enter your email address associated with your Rockstar Games account and then enter your password as well. If you don't remember your password during the process, tap on forgot your password and follow the password reset prompts. After filling in both of your credentials correct, tap on sign in to log into your rockstar.com game. And now once you are done, you will be able to sign into your Red Dead Redemption 2 game. That is how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.